Imagine turning your passion into pure profit without ever touching inventory. Digital products are the ultimate side hustle goldmine, and just last year, they generated over $1 billion globally. So whether you're a creator, coach, or just someone with killer knowledge, you can transform your expertise into cash. What's up? My name is Ace with MailerLite. Let's spark those entrepreneurial brains. I'll throw out some digital product ideas, but trust me, this just scratches the surface. And actually, we've compiled 80 proven digital product ideas plus 28 promotional strategies into a free guide. I'll tell you all about how to grab it in a minute, but now let's start brainstorming some awesome digital product ideas. Even if your exact niche isn't on this list, I promise you'll find some serious inspiration. So bring out your pens and notebooks and let's do this. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or coach, you've probably got an audience who loves your stuff and are already thinking, please just take my money. Here's how to oblige them. Digital guides. Now, if you ever wish somebody just handed you a blueprint to say, starting a podcast from scratch or mastering TikTok algorithms, well, now you can share whatever you learned in your digital guide. Create an ebook that's packed with your insider knowledge, helping others, skip the struggle and go straight to the win. Mini courses. People spend a lot of time on the internet and many want to learn stuff while they're here. The global online learning market is expected to reach over 6 billion users by 2029. So take advantage of this boom by creating bite-sized lessons that make a big impact. Think quick video tutorials on something like iPhone photography for beginners, or an email series like your 5-day plan to kickstart a morning routine. It's perfect for those with short attention spans. So, basically like everybody these days. And then there's paid newsletters. You can turn casual readers into loyal subscribers by offering extra juicy content for your biggest fans. Imagine a weekly job market deep dive for your industry or unfiltered behind the scenes content for your creative work. And for all your designers and developers, get those creative gears turning. There's no more coding for exposure, so let's just get paid. Templates and design sets. Your amazing presentation templates or cool icon packs mean their projects look good and you get paid, so it's a win-win, right? Apps and themes. Now, if you got the coding chops, build an app or a website theme that solves a common pain point, like simple budgeting app for freelancers, for example, or a gorgeous pre-made theme for an online site. They'll happily be throwing cash at you in relief for saving them a ton of time. Integrations. Find a popular tool and build a plugin that makes it even better, like a seamless export tool for a specific design software, for example. Even beauticians and personal trainers can whip up some digital gold. I mean, why limit your expertise to just one-on-one when you can honestly reach millions? Video tutorials. Imagine selling a subscription series of DIY bridal hair and makeup lessons, or weekly workout videos to keep clients pumped right from the comfort of their living rooms. Like the, no equipment home workouts for busy parents, for example. Meal plans and guides. You can share your healthy recipes or expertise on common challenges. Think like quick and easy healthy dinners for busy weeknights, or specific downloadable guides like home remedies for oily skin, or how to keep little humans entertained for more than 5 minutes. But wait, there's more. Your unique skills can shine in so many other ways. For life and wellness coaches, you can create meditation audio series for stress relief or printable journals and wellness trackers for goal setting. And for writers, I didn't forget about you. You can sell deleted chapters, spin-offs, or extra scenes from your popular books directly to your fans, or even set up a private proofreading community where writers actually pay for expert feedback from you. And for artists and crafters, design printable coloring sheets from your unique artwork or sell sewing patterns for trendy clothing or intricate crafts. And for musicians and sound designers, you could sell downloadable songs, unique sound effects for video creators, or even pre-made beats for aspiring artists. And if you're a photographer like me, you can actually go beyond creating basic filters. You can create specialized stuff like Lightroom preset packs that give a specific look, like moody landscape or bright airy wedding or a vintage film look. And for travel and tourism experts, don't just do Paris, create Paris for first timers, a foodie's 3-day itinerary, or budget backpacking through Southeast Asia, your 2-week plan. And for people in businesses, if you know a specific industry inside and out, like starting a micro bakery, launching a freelance writing business, you can sell templates for business plans, marketing strategies, or client onboarding. Now, what if I told you there is a way to keep that cash coming in month after month without constantly chasing new sales? Well, that's actually where subscriptions slide right in. Whether it's exclusive content, a members-only community, or fresh products delivered regularly, you can offer ongoing access to your expertise and earn more. Think premium newsletters like daily stock market insights, a private masterclass club teaching coding to beginners, or a Sculpt Your Core in 15-minute weekly workout series, something along those lines. You build a loyal community and get paid consistently for the value you provide. It's pretty cool, right? But these are just a few ideas. If you want even more, well, that's where our free resources come in. It's packed with 80 digital product ideas and 20 actionable promotional strategies to get your revenue flowing. Just click on the link down in the description below. It's 100% free, and it's designed to kickstart your digital product journey. You won't regret it, I promise. Go check it out. Why digital products are your new best friend. So if you're still wondering whether you should jump in on this bandwagon, here are 8 massive benefits that are gonna make you say yes. First up, endless inventory. You make it once, sell it 1,000,000 times. 0 supply chain headaches. Scale as much as you want. Want to sell 100 copies? 10,000? What about 100,000? Easy peasy. More sales, less stress, and 0 trips to the post office. Pocket-friendly start. You can kick things off with a budget that works for you. Your couch and a laptop are basically your new office. And freedom to roam. You can sell from your couch, your local cafe, or a beach in Thailand. Honestly, the world is your digital oyster. And almost passive income. You create once and earn from it forever, essentially. Course creators in the US are said to earn anywhere between $5,000 to $25,000 a year from passive income alone. Extra cash flow too. For freelancers, coaches, or anyone trading time for money, digital products offer a cool way for folks to access your wisdom without burning out. And of course, there's global reach. The internet means your potential customers are everywhere. And honestly, people actually love them. Did you know that digital goods and services accounted for 2.7% of consumer spending, while clothing was at 3.9% and electronics at 3.5%? That means people are actively opening their wallets for digital content. Digital products give you an awesome extra income stream and free up your time for whatever's next in your business. It's pretty sweet, right? Selling your digital products with MailerLite. Now that your brain is probably buzzing with brilliant digital product ideas, you're probably thinking, okay, Ace, but how do I actually sell this stuff? Well, my friend, let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, MailerLite. You can actually start selling your digital products online with MailerLite immediately, like right now, like today. And get this, it's actually free, completely free to start. We've got all the tools you need to sell your product, collect payments, and promote your business, all neatly tucked into one platform. And the cherry on top, we charge 0 commission fees on the products you sell through our platform. Neither do we cap your earning potential in any way, shape, or form. Can you honestly think of a better deal than this? Yeah, I didn't think so. I'll drop a link in the description below for you to check out how to sell digital products and subscriptions with MailerLite. Or you can just hit the link to create an account for free and just start selling today. That's a wrap on this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. With that said, I'll catch you all in the next one.